Hi students, selection of book is very important for the preparation of civil service prelim examination. So watch this video till the end. UPSC civil service prelim examination is composed of two components. First one is general studies, second one is civil service aptitude test, that is CSAT. Let us see now general studies. General studies test is the first paper of the preliminary examination. This test is intended to test the general awareness of a candidate in a wide range of subjects that include Indian polity, geography, history, Indian economy, science and technology, environment and ecology, international relations and associated. Of course, general studies paper normally conducts from 9:30 to 11:30 am. It contains 100 questions. Each question holding 2 marks. There is negative marking. If you are getting a wrong question, your mark will be reducted 0.66 from the total. Let us see now the best books which are used for each subject. The first book for history is Indian Struggle for Independence, Bipan Chandra. Second, Facts of Indian Culture, Spectrum. Third one, NCERT Class 11, Ancient and Medieval. Fourth one, NCERT Class 12, Modern Indian History. Next subject is Geography. First book, Certificate Physical Geography, G.C. Leong. Second, NCERT Class 6 to 10, All Syllabus. Third one, NCERT Class 11 to 12, New Syllabus. And the fourth one is World Atlas. Next subject is Indian Polity. First book is Indian Polity, M. Lakshmikant. Second one, NCERT Class 9 to 12. Next subject is Economics. First book for Economics, Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. Second, Economic Development and Policies in India, Jain and Ori. Third one, NCERT Class 11. Next subject, International Relations. First one, NCERT Class 12, Contemporary World Politics. And of course, you need to go through current affairs. For science, that is general science, you need to go through from class 6 to 10 NCERT textbooks. And of course, you need to go through class 11, Chemistry Unit 14, Biology Unit 4 and 5. Class 12, Chemistry Unit 16, Biology Unit 8, 9 and 10. Next, current affairs, you need to go through the Hindu newspaper, Yojana magazine and Press Information Bureau. Apart from this, you need to go through second ARC report, that means Administrative Reforms Commission report. After that, Economic Survey, the latest one. Again, you need to go through budget latest, Finance Commission report latest. And of course, the next one is annual report by central ministers. Let us see now CSAT, Civil Service Aptitude Test. This question paper contains 80 questions. So each question holding 2.5 marks. Wrong questions attracts 0.833 marks. CSAT intends to assess the aptitude of the candidates in solving reasoning and analytical questions. Apart from reasoning comprehensions and the occasionally asked decision-making based questions are generally exempted from negative marking. For CSAT, you have to go through Tata McGraw-Hill CSAT manual. Second, CSAT second Arihan. Third one, verbal and non-verbal reasoning from R.S. Agarwal. And arithmetic, you need to go through from class 6 to 10 NCERT textbook. The preliminary examination is only meant for screening a candidate for the subsequent stage of the exam. The marks obtained in the prelim will not be added up while arriving at the final rank list. So prepare well. To get such videos, kindly subscribe this channel. Best wishes to all of you.